going on, guys? Justin from Garage Metric, just doing a quick install of some brand new emblems from Molded Innovations that I got from Subi Mods. Putting it on this 2020 WRX. It's a pretty simple video and we'll just do a quick one over. So for taking the old one off, all you need is a heat gun and a pry tool. That's pretty much it. Maybe some adhesive remover and rags, but if we do it properly, we won't need them because of these. Started the heat already on it. Starting to get this off. Hopefully it comes off because it's not going back on. There we go. Alright, I'll cut back to with this thing being off. A little bit more heat should do it. Don't mind the bugs. So, thanks to a little bit of help from lacquer thinner, we were able to get all the sticker residue off. So now we can install the emblem. Just tore off the backing for the adhesive, so this will stick. It's really easy because it has these dowels for lining up, so you can't really screw that up. Get it good and just hold pressure to it. I recommend for like a good 30 seconds. And there it is. The new Molded Innovations Special Edition Purple Emblem. Thanks for watching the video. It was a quick one, but I will hopefully have some more with this piece of shit. Check back for more. Bye.